Autofocus test. Okay, slowly walking. Panning. Tilting up and down. This is the macro mode. Oh, pretty close. This is the 4K portrait video mode. And there's a lot of bokeh over here, and it looks good. 4K 30 is the maximum you can get with this one, and I think it looks great. Zoom test 4K 30, because in 4K 60 you can't switch lens while you are recording. Oh, there's something broken. That's it. This is the bokeh helper with the main lens, and now we see the comparison with the portrait video mode. And this is the 4K portrait video mode. Not that much difference because I'm pretty close to the Xperia over here. Autofocus test. Okay. Slowly walking. Panning. Tilting. Macro mode. This is the portrait video mode, and on the right side it doesn't work pretty well. It seems when there's a little bit less light, the camera struggles to get the correct focus and background blur. But in daylight it works pretty good. In low light, as you can see, the background is not really blurred out. Okay. This is the bokeh. Zoom test. This is the 3x zoom. This is maximum optical zoom. And this is the wide angle lens. And this is the bokeh helper. So I think it looks good with the background blur. As long as you get close enough, then there's some nice blur in the background. What do you think?